Indian rice and Mexican spice already rings a bell at your taste buds. So let's combine the two and go ahead with today's recipe, that is my version of Mexican rice. First, I'm going to heat up a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add one small onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped. Let the onion saute for 2 minutes. Next, let's add in half a green capsicum finely chopped and half a red capsicum finely chopped. With this, also half a cup of green peas. These are raw green peas. Next, I'm going to add 3 small tomatoes that are grilled. So what I did was I took the tomatoes and I put it in the oven on the griller and let it char for at least 20 minutes. After that, I have just churned it, like half churned, just make a pulp out of it and remove the black skin. So this pulp goes into the vegetables too. Let the tomato pulp cook for 2 to 3 minutes with the vegetables. After this, let's add all the seasoning ingredients. So I have half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning mix, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1.5 tablespoon of ketchup. The tomato pulp is nicely cooked, and now into this I'm going to add 1 cup of rice. You can use any long grain rice. Just wash and soak it for half an hour. Add in 2 cups of water. Let's cover this and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Five minutes are up. Let's check on the rice. The rice is half done, and into this I'm going to add a few more ingredients. I have half a cup of soaked and pressure cooked kidney beans, half a cup of boiled corn. If you like the rice very spicy, you can add 1 jalapeno sliced. I've used a milder chili here. Some coriander leaves, some spring onion and leaves. Give this a light mix. Also add in salt to taste. Let's cover this again and let it cook till the rice is done. Let's check on the rice. This is done. Let's turn off the flame. And into this, I'm going to grate around 1.5 tablespoons of cheese. I'm using cheddar. Give this a slight mix. Since the rice is hot, the cheese is nicely going to melt. And this rice is ready to serve. Enjoy this Mexican rice with a side of sour cream or beans. Do try this at home, comment below and let me know how it turned out. For more such recipes, do subscribe to Rajshri Food and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.